just walk on you. That's all. They're gentle little
Let's
things.
see
Don't
him,
squish
Daphne.
them.
Let's see.
He's gonna fly away. Careful.
Little ladybug.
Oh, I knew he'd fly away. There's another one.
Really
Under the
ticklish.
tree. Yeah, they tickle. They don't hurt you, honey. Look.
There's
see?
one lighting up.
There's two of them. There's one right there too. There's two of them. That one's flying right there. See that one right there?
Ooh, lots of them.
I like this tree. Oh, this thing. Show him a moment before he flies off. When those wings open, off he goes. We'll find more.